Hi guys, welcome to my gaming setup 2 2025. The gaming keyboard, 10 keyless, mechanical keyboard, got 1 switches. It is the Gamaki K87. Then I have my new trackball mouse because the older one doesn't work anymore. This is Logitech Ergo M575. Then we have water speakers. The monitor is a Korui 1080p, 22 inches, 200 Hz. I actually didn't care about the 200 Hz, but I mainly bought it because it had DisplayPort and the 2 HDMI inputs. In this way I can plug it in also my Nintendo Wii with the HDMI adapter and my Xbox One 1TB advanced wafer that I use it as a DVD and Blu-ray player. And here my gaming computer. The specs are 750 watt Corsair power supply. The motherboard is MSI S870 Tomahawk Wi-Fi IM5 chipset. The processor is Ryzen 9 9900S, 12 cores, 24 threads. The TDP is about 150 watts, but you can change it down. It has 32 gigabyte of memory, DDR5 at 6000 MHz, 16 gigabyte of video memory for the graphics card, the AMD Radeon RS 9060 ST, the newest one from August or July 2025. The case is a mid-size ATS GMC R2. It has this wonderful DVD player at the front. Here my usual posters from girls from the movies, the map from GTA 4. Here my laptop collection. The red one is Acer Nitro 5, the 2018 version that I got as a gift when I finished graduated from high school. Then this older 2012 laptop, Acer Aspire V5 531 with Celeron. It is very weak. It runs Windows 11 with some tweaks, but it is horrible. This one, the Toshiba laptop, I tried many Linux version on it. Now I put the Raspberry Pi x86 based on Debian 12 and works great. Also Linux Mint 18.3, the 32-bit version worked well. And here iBook G4, I got it as a gift from a good friend of mine. And I always liked old Apple stuff because they were used in my favorite TV series like iCarly, Victorious, Sam and Cat. Here I have statue of a Japanese cat, my various hats collection, a gift from Thailand from a friend, my favorite hat. And here various CD and DVD. I have burned various installation media for the older computers. And here another monitor that I used to connect the older computers. This was to connect the Nintendo Wii for the HDMI adapter. And I also had the Apple Mini VGA input. This one was to make the gaming laptop sit higher when I only had that before 2022. And yes, these are the installation media for Windows, ISO, Windows XP, Windows 10 and 11, because it worked well with my previous gaming laptop, the big black one, the big case made by Al1en. But on the newer desktop motherboard, it doesn't support booting from CD anymore, only if you enable legacy UEFI CSM mode. And here another two posters, my favorite actresses ever, Miranda Cosgrove and Jenna McCurdy. I bought it around Christmas of last year for a nice Christmas gift.